If you want a bridal eyeshadow look that makes you glow, this video is definitely yours because I'm going to show you how to have this bridal eyeshadow look. This is a dual finish eyeshadow style with a touch of sparkle, so stay with me till the end. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to prep my lids. I mark the center line down the middle of my lid. Actually, the reason that I did this was to create balance between the metallic part and the matte part. But before anything else, I need to apply my tape. For my inner corner, I'm applying this color, so let's go for that. This is what actually gives you the bridal glow. It has its shine, but it's not exaggerated. And now let's go for the matte part. Now for the outer corner, I'm using a soft matte shade. This keeps everything romantic and balanced. Now, before adding the glitter at the center, I want to add another dark color to the outer corner to even add more definition and dimension to it. So here's the color I use. And I use this side of my brush, which is more precise. And then I gently put it on my outer corner, and then with the other side, I blend it inward. Now for the signature bridal sparkle, I'm pressing a fine glitter right along the center line. And this is something that makes a huge difference. And it's just going to be perfect. This actually blends the two finishes and adds a soft twinkle every time the light hits. This is it, but it's not finished yet because I have something to do with the lower lash line. You see, lower lash line matters too. I'm just gonna take it off to see the result. Now I'm choosing this one. I'm going to apply it to my lower lash line. So gently I put it under my eyes. As I move towards the center, I lower the pressure of my hand. I'm going to repeat the process for this side. First, bridal metallic glow. Second, soft matte at the outer corner, or let's say the second half. Third, adding a darker shade to the outer corner. And the last, but the most important, is adding the glitter. And then the lower lash line would finish this look. First, I'm adding my eyeliner, which is a soft winged eyeliner. The eyeliner and false lashes completes the look. Since I want my eyes to look closer to each other, I add a little wing at my inner corner. Now it's false lashes' turn because it plays a very major role. Now this is really the final touch, and now I'm just going to apply mascara to my lower lashes. And that's it, the dual finish of bridal eyeshadow look that I was talking about, which was super easy and gives you the glow you want. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want more beauty tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!